listen carefully. If you can watch a Netflix show in English and follow the story, if you can read a news article and understand the main idea, but the moment you need to speak, your mind goes blank and your confidence disappears, you are not alone. You are stuck in what I call the understanding trap. And today, on Listen and Speak, we're breaking out of it.
This is the most frustrating gap for language learners. Your understanding moves forward, but your speaking feels stuck in first gear. The good news is simple. This is not a talent problem. It's not intelligence. It's not your memory. It's a muscle you haven't trained yet. And we have the exact workout plan.
In this video, we move from passive understanding to active speaking. No theory, no motivation talk, only practical steps you can start today. Stay with us. So let's diagnose the problem. The number one reason is simple. You don't speak enough. Most learning is passive. Listening, reading, watching, input after input after input.
Imagine learning how to swim by watching Olympic races. You understand every movement, but the moment you jump into the water, you sink. Speaking is the output. It's an active skill, and active skills require active practice.
The second blocker is perfection paralysis. You worry about grammar. You worry about your accent. You worry about sounding native. So you choose silence.
That pressure is your biggest enemy. Fluency is communication, not perfection. Native speakers make mistakes every day. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is to be understood.
Your brain knows the words. Your mouth just hasn't had permission or practice to use them. Let's change that.
The first tool is powerful and used by language coaches worldwide. It's called the 4-3-2 method.
First 4 minutes. Talk about any topic, your day, your job, a hobby. Don't stop. Don't correct yourself. Just speak.
Then 3 minutes. Choose one specific part. Go deeper. Add detail.
Finally, 2 minutes. Summarize everything you said. This forces clarity, and it reinforces the language you just produced.
You do this alone. No partner needed. It trains fluency under time pressure, and it teaches you to think on your feet in English.
Now we lower the perfect English pressure. Give yourself permission to be messy. Mistakes are data, not failure. Start speaking today, not when you feel ready.
And change how you learn vocabulary. Stop memorizing single words like decision, problem, interesting. That doesn't help speaking.
Instead, learn chunks, natural phrases. I've made a decision. That's not a problem. That sounds interesting. These are building blocks. Your brain uses them faster. Your speech becomes smoother.
This week, choose just 5 chunks. Use them in your 3, 2, practice. Until they come out naturally. To connect listening and speaking, use shadowing. Listen to a short clip. Pause. Repeat it exactly. Copy the rhythm. Copy the melody.
Then switch. Use one phrase from the clip and start speaking your own thoughts. This is the bridge between imitation and real communication.
You must also create speaking opportunities. If you're learning alone, your strongest tool is your phone.
Record yourself for 1 minute every day. Listen back. Don't judge. Just notice. Where did you hesitate? Which word felt difficult? Then try again.
5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. Consistency beats duration. Every time.
You already understand English. Now you build the muscle, your speaking voice is already there. It just needs activation.
Start small. Be consistent. Be kind to yourself. Progress comes from attempts, not perfection.
If this approach makes sense, support the Listen and Speak community. Subscribe, like the video. It helps us reach learners like you.
In the comments, tell us, what topic will you use for the 4-3-2 method this week?
You can understand English, so you can speak it. The only question is when.
And that when starts now.
Keep listening. Start speaking. See you next time.